Well, we all know that employees of BPOs can get a rather unique accent at will. Well, a few weeks ago, we also brought you the story of a couple of schools in Mumbai that were looking to teach their students the American accent. So, is voice training the new obsession of urban India? Well, it seems so. Students at these classes, including housewives, all want a neutral accent. So, what's the reason? Let's find out.
It's a Saturday morning routine for Mayur Suvarna as he gets ready for the day ahead. But before he gets to work, Suvarna has one important stop to make. In an attempt to rid himself of his southern accent, Suvarna is taking voice classes. And that's not something his BPO bosses have asked him to do. For him, it's an everyday exercise in self-confidence.
I had a particular instance where I was mocked in a particular way when I speak. For example, my name is Mayur, which is spelled as M-A-Y-U-R. But some years ago, well, I was introduced to a couple of friends and I spelled my name as Yum-Ye-Y-U-R, which was rather funny and people started laughing over it. And I was wondering, why is that happening?
And it's not just BPO employees like Suvarna who are flocking to these classes.
Last night I had a whole bunch of people who've come here solely for this purpose. In fact, one was from the IT world, the other was senior executive with a bank, and the other person is an actor. We also have young ladies coming over who are to be married to people abroad, and they don't want to be an embarrassment to their husband.
Voice trainers like Anil Mani train small groups of professionals and say business from non-BPO professionals has doubled in the past 2 years. And a 10-session course costs anywhere between 8,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees, depending on how much you're willing to pay and who your trainer is.
People are realizing that self-presentation is not just your wardrobe and your makeup and your hairstyle, but it's a lot more than that. So the way your voice is, the way you modulate your voice, the way you speak, the clarity of your speech, and the way you sound, what your accent is like, all these things count.
The king and his 4 wives. So, sir, how does it sound?
Sounds good to me. I'm afraid you're going to put me out of business.
Well, he thinks I sound good, but for all those people who want freedom from their mother tongue influence and at an affordable rate, you know where to go now. In Mumbai, Samriti Grover for NDTV.